Welcome, dear students. Today we shall solve some problems from trigonometry. Question 1. Prove that sin A divided by 1 plus cot A minus cos A divided by 1 plus tan A is equal to sin A minus cos A. Solution. Left hand side is equal to cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Since a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b is equal to sin A minus cos A is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Question 2. Prove that cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Solution. Left hand side is equal to cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. One minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Right hand side proved. Question 3. Prove that square root of sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. Solution. Left hand side is equal to square root of sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta is equal to square root cos square theta into sin square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. One by sin theta into cos theta. 1 is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta by sine theta into cos theta is equal to sine square theta by sine theta into cos theta plus cos square theta divided by sine theta into cos theta. Sine theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sine theta. Sine theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta plus cos theta by sine theta is equal to cot theta is equal to right hand side proved. Question 4. Prove that 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Solution. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to A and 1 is equal to B, then we get A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. Since A plus B into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And to get the latest updates, press the bell icon. Thank you.